Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, April the 25th. As per usual, this is a series that'll show you sort of behind the scenes and type of things you can expect to see from us here at For the Fabric Studio. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. Thank you all so much for watching. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we will see you next week.